Hashtags for YouTube have evolved over the past several years. It's now easier for content creators to classify their videos and make them more discoverable, and it's simpler for viewers to find the content they want. Hi, I'm Callie from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. Here's what you need to know about hashtags for YouTube. YouTube imposes rules for hashtags. YouTube makes it very clear that hashtags are not promises or guarantees for success. It's not enough to just add some hashtags to your video's description or title. You must always be aware of YouTube's hashtag rules and community guidelines. The primary rule of YouTube video hashtags is only to use hashtags related to your video's topic. Follow YouTube's community guidelines. Like other social media sites, YouTube has community guidelines to protect its users. These guidelines apply to all the content on its platform, including video hashtags. There are 4 main groups of policies: spam and deceptive practices, sensitive content, violent or dangerous content, and regulated goods. Following these guidelines for hashtags will prevent your video from being removed and you from being kicked off the platform. Hashtags may affect audience retention. If someone watches a video from another content creator with the same hashtag, the viewer may click the hashtag and be directed away from that video. You may experience the same problem. A curious viewer might look for related content by clicking the hashtag attached to your video. This action lowers your audience retention. To combat this issue, use branded hashtags to ensure viewers find your content, and try to use related applicable hashtags across multiple videos so yours continue to come up in the results. You can't own a hashtag. Creating a hashtag doesn't give you ownership. Yes, you can apply to trademark hashtags, but approval isn't a given. Rules about trademarking hashtags vary from country to country, so check your jurisdiction. Even if you do trademark a hashtag, you can't expect to have exclusive use of it. There's nothing to stop other YouTube creators from using hashtags you've created, even if they're trademarked. For more information, visit www.iidm.world.